Hello student, welcome to online tutorial session. As I have discussed earlier also that we are doing the lab activity part from the chapter number 4, more about MS Excel. Today also we will continue with another question from the lab activity part, so that you can understand how to make a table, what should be the how to work on the different cell references present in the Excel, how to prepare a different chart or how to write down the data, and also the how to do the calculations over here. Okay, so these are those topics today I will explain. So the question I will explain the question first. So they have given the question that the worksheet you have to prepare to show the sales achieved from the January through March in 4 brands of Beta Industries. Okay, so calculated the project sale in the April by using the formula. So they have given us a formula, and already for the month of January, February and March sale they have already given, and they want that in the what should be the sale, projected sale from the month of April, we need to calculate it. So for that reason they also given us a formula, that the formula is sales of projected in April is equals to sales achieved in March, plus there's a multiplier, and the multiplier value it is given, that is 5.0%, okay, into the sale achieved in March. So this is the formula, and the multipliers, the value is stored in they have given a cell number, this steps. So I need to calculate, or we need to calculate the sale in the month of April. Okay, that is a projected sale or predicted sale. Okay, so let's start with it. So as they have given in cell C3, I need to place it multiplier, then I'm placing it there. But if you want that you want to place it in some other location, you can place it. It is not like that you have to place it in C3 only. Okay, you can choose any of the location. So suppose I am choosing this one, this multiplier will be reside in column A1. Okay, so I'm writing the text over here. Okay, so I'm writing, oh sorry, not in this part, I need to use cell A1. Okay, multiplier, the value is 5.0. okay, 5.0, percentage symbol is there, percentage is given, and then we have to make a table. So it is a table for the Beta industry. So let's start from here. Here I'm start writing January. Here it is February. March data. It is the April data. Okay, and here in the East sale, East, the sale is 200. In February it is 400. In March it is 600. Okay, now we are going forward to west part. 150 is the value. Next 425 is the value. Next 800 is the value. Okay, south, value is 322. Your value is 859. Next value is 789. Okay, next for north, the value is 111. Next value is 243. Next the value is 884. Okay, so it is, you are able to see my data table is ready. Okay, so this is actually only the month of April. It is a projected cell, so I am writing the projected part. Okay, projected part I have written. So projected part for April I've written, and we need to apply the formula for it. So you select the April column. So whenever you are using any formula, you know that you, in the cell, particular cell where you want to find out the calculation, you have to put equals to symbol. As soon as you have clicked the equals to symbol, that they have given a formula, that is the sales achieved in March. Okay, so what is the sales achieved in March? It means 600. So after choosing here, next you will choose 600 part, then multiply. So you have to give the multiplication symbol. Okay, then you have to choose the multiplier. My multiplier value is located over here. Okay, initially I have to choose this one, multiply. My multiplier's value, then okay, wait, just here, that is the plus, plus is there, then B is equals to multiplier into the sale of this, again 6. Okay, so this is the formula, March sale plus multiplier into the sales achieved means March. So I have written the formula. If you take, then you are getting the value 630.